In this video today, we're going to be discussing 10 different ways to make or save $1,000 in a very short amount of time.
$1,000.
And this is going to be, of course, outside of the realm of just going out there and getting a job, which is, of course, the easiest way to make $1,000. So whatever the situation is, maybe you're in a pinch to make money quick, or you have a goal in mind that you're looking to save money for. These are a couple different strategies you may want to follow to make $1,000 in a short period of time. That being said, let's get into these 10 ways to raise some quick cash and eventually save or make $1,000. As I go through this video and mention these 10 ways to make $1,000 fast, I'll leave links in the description so that you can easily find these sites or apps and easily get signed up so that you can start making that extra cash.
Extra cash? What do you think?
One last thing I do want to reiterate is that the services that I will be mentioning are sites or apps that are going to be options for you to save or make $1,000. All right, let's get into this. First up is to deliver food, and you can do this through sites like Uber Eats, DoorDash, or Postmates. Over the last few years, apps have made it incredibly easy for restaurants to be able to offer delivery services. While most of the ordering process is automated, the services still need people to take food orders from the restaurants to the customers. You usually do not need any experience or qualifications in order to get started, just a smartphone and a way to get around. One of the most flexible food delivery services is DoorDash. Once your application is approved, you can start work right away, and you always have the freedom to choose when and where you want to work. In a nutshell, DoorDash offers you a great way to make great money on your own schedule, keep 100% of the delivery fee and tips. They offer bonus pay available for working during peak hours, and you have the ability to earn up to $25 per hour. The next way to make an extra 1K is to deliver groceries, and you can do this with apps like Instacart or Postmates. In this job, you will use a service like Postmates or Instacart in order to be connected with people who need their groceries or other items delivered. You then collect the items from the pickup location before giving those items to the buyer. These services do give you the freedom to work whenever you want, so they're an excellent way to make $1,000 fast around your existing schedule. It is really easy to sign up with these services, and you just need a car and a phone. Third on our list for how to make $1,000 fast is to sell your old stuff, and you can do this with an app called Declutter. Selling your old stuff is perhaps one of the quickest way to make an extra $1,000, but of course this all does depend on the value of the merchandise. There are many ways to sell your products, such as garage sales, Facebook Marketplace, and Craigslist. One of the quickest ways though to sell items such as electronics, books, and even Legos is through Declutter. Just head to the website, get an instant valuation of your item, and send it to the company, and it will deposit the cash in your account the day after the product arrives at their offices. The fourth way to make or save $1,000 fast is to cut unwanted subscriptions with a service called Trim. Instead of earning $1,000, it can sometimes be more helpful to stop the money from leaving your account in the first place. Trim is a service that analyzes your spending and suggests places you can save money. One of the most helpful features is one that identifies recurring payments. These are things such as Netflix or Spotify, and it alerts you to them, letting you make an informed decision about whether you want to cancel them or not. It also has features to help you save money, reduce general spending, and pay off your debts. These are all features that can help you reach your $1,000 target faster. Number 5 on the list is to negotiate your bills with Truebill. Truebill helps you reduce the amount you spend on your bills each month by negotiating your contracts for you. Using this service can be an extremely helpful way to save money. They actually estimate they can help people save 25% of their total expenditure, and it saved one customer $9,500. The downside is that while the service is free to use, they take 40% of the total money they save. Whether this service is worth it for you depends on if you have the ability, confidence, and time to negotiate your own bills. It could be a great way to save money, especially the $1,000 that we're talking about in this video. 6th on the list is to flip furniture with aptdeco.com. I'm not sure if I'm pronouncing that right, but I will leave that on the screen so that you are definitely sure how to spell it and where to go. Furniture is a great product to flip due to the high value of each item, meaning you can earn a lot per sale. There's also the fact that people often sell furniture for less than it's actually valued at due to how difficult it is to move. Flipping can be done on the side to earn cash or as a main source of income once you become proficient at it. Those at the top of their game can make thousands of dollars flipping furniture each month. To learn more about flipping, check out this course. I'll leave a link in the description called Flea Market Flipper. There's Rob and Melissa who were able to take their flipping side hustle from $42,000 part-time to $133,000 full-time. This could be a great way for you to earn that $1,000 and a lot more. The 7th way to make or save $1,000 is to walk dogs with an app called Rover. Dog walking is a great way to get some fresh air and exercise while also earning some money. Platforms like Rover make walking dogs easy. You can begin earning as soon as the company accepts your profile, and you have the option to set your hourly rate as well as your schedule. Beyond walking dogs, you can offer a variety of pet sitting services on Rover. The platform estimates that the top earners receive around $1,000 per month. The 8th way to make $1,000 is through freelancing on sites like Upwork and Fiverr. People can become a freelance writer, proofreader, editor, social media manager, transcriptionist, and the list goes on. They can do this through sites or platforms like Upwork or Fiverr to sell their services. The nice thing about this is you don't need any qualifications to do this, and there are plenty of opportunities to do this from the convenience of your home. The 9th way to save or make $1,000 is to rent out your car with GetAround. Think about this: how many hours a day do you use your car? If the answer is not many, then why not earn some extra cash by renting it out? GetAround is a car sharing app that makes this easy to do. Just list your car on the platform and people who use the app can borrow it when you aren't using it. The service provides a device that allows you to unlock your car without needing your keys. This means you don't have to do anything in order to get paid. You just need to own the car and list it. GetAround provides insurance, 24/7 customer support, and estimates the average car owner earns thousands of dollars per year on the platform. Last but not least on our list of ways to make $1,000 is to rent out unused space with an app called Neighbor. If you want to earn money from a spare room in your house but you don't want to rent it out to another person, then offering it as a storage space could be a great way to get paid. Neighbor matches people with extra space with people who have items they need to put in storage. Typically, people offer up basements, garages, or driveways, and the amount you can list your room for will depend on where you live. Cool thing is that the website actually has an area where you can look up what your space is worth before you sign up. One other major benefit is that Neighbor provides its own insurance, and overall it is a great way to earn extra money passively. I'm going to share on my screen a list of these 10 ways to make or save $1,000 fast. I know there are several other options out there, but these 10 give you a glimpse into what is around online or elsewhere to help you make some extra money. Try a few of these ideas out. If one of these jobs turns out to be a good way to earn consistent extra income, then definitely keep at it. After all, making $1,000 is nice, but making $2,000 is even better. If you learned about any new ideas to make an extra $1,000, then definitely go ahead and smash that like button. No, really, smash that like button. That definitely helps us out. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel as well. I also have to mention that we really do want to build the Modest Wallet community, so drop a comment below. Let us know if any of these things work for you or if you have any other ideas to make a quick $1,000. That's all I have for you. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.